Before I start this latest video on where interest rates are going in the UK, if you find this useful in any way, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and you like this video and you place any comments and questions below the video and I will answer them. Do remember that I update this video every month. So if you want to know the latest predictions by the market of where interest rates are headed, then make sure you come back and check out the future videos as well. So the Bank of England increased the base rate in August 2022 to 1.75%. So that was an increase of 0.5%, which was the biggest increase in 27 years. Now, that was the sixth consecutive increase by the Bank of England, which is unprecedented. Now, what does that mean for mortgage borrowers? Well, if you're on a fixed rate mortgage, then your mortgage repayments each month will stay exactly the same. But if you're on a variable rate mortgage or a tracker mortgage, then you're likely to see your mortgage rate go up by a similar amount, i.e. 0.5%. So what does that mean for your repayments in pounds and pence? Well, for every £100,000 that you've borrowed in a mortgage, then you're likely to see your mortgage repayments go up by £26 a month. So if you do the numbers, if you've got a £200,000 mortgage outstanding, then your mortgage repayments a month are likely to go up by £52 as a result of the latest 0.5% increase in the Bank of England base rate. So what is going to happen to the Bank of England base rate going forward? Is it going to just keep going up and up? Well, much depends on the economy and in particular inflation. If inflation proves sticky, then the Bank of England is likely to continue to keep increasing the base rate going forward. And that means that mortgage rates will increase as well. Now, the latest prediction from the Bank of England is that inflation will rise above 13% in the coming months. Now, previously, the market had predicted that the Bank of England would raise the base rate by 0.25% at its August and September meetings. And of course, we know that that prediction has proved to be wrong. But these predictions change all the time and they are seldom right. So what we do at Money to the Masses is provide an article which we link to in the notes below this video and also on screen to an article where we update the interest rate predictions continually. So you can always check that out and make sure you bookmark it. Now, right now, the base rate is predicted to move above 3% by the end of this year, 2022, and above 4% by the summer of 2023. Now, that is a huge increase. If you go back just to last month's video, the market was predicting that the base rate would get to about 2% by the end of 2022 and 3% by the end of 2023. So it's a huge change. And what that means is by this time next year, the best 2-year fixed rate mortgage is going to have an interest rate probably of around 5.5% because there's always a difference on top of what the base rate is at the Bank of England. So if you are coming to the end of a fixed rate mortgage deal or you're thinking of getting off your tracker or variable rate mortgage, then you may need to act fast because the best deals are disappearing all the time, especially as markets continue to believe that the Bank of England is going to keep pushing up the base rate. But there is good news. You can fix your mortgage rate even if you're coming towards the end of your mortgage deal. And how you do that, we explain in the article that I've already mentioned that has been linked to in the notes below this video. But ultimately, if you are worried about your mortgage rates rising, then you need to speak to a mortgage advisor who can help you search the whole of the market and find the best deal for you based on your personal circumstances and your financial circumstances, including things like income and your credit report. And in that article, we also provide links to how you can find a reputable mortgage broker if you don't already know one. So please make sure that you like and share this video if you found it useful in any way, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you get our future updates on the path of UK interest rates.